Let's see how len text function works. LEN text function works in a way that it returns the number of characters in a given text string. So if you pass any given text into LEN, it will return the number of characters in the string. For example, I have a string called America. Okay, so in the America, how how many characters are there? If you count it, you will know 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 characters are there. So when I use length, len is nothing but length, so it returns the number of characters in a text string. So our text string is in A3. Okay, so you can see it returns 7. You see, this the way the length function is a very basic function. It helps to find how many characters in a string. For example, you have united united kingdom. Okay, kingdom, united kingdom. This is your string. Then let's see how many characters in united kingdom. This is equal to length of this string, which is 14 characters. Let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 space 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So it includes space also. So space also is a character. So for example, you have only a space. I just length of this string, you can find it's only one character. For a empty cell, length of an empty cell, let's see, it is 0. So this len length returns or gives you back number of characters in the text. Okay.